in Austria though, and we just ordered McCafe. We paid for the toll fee. It's 10 euro, and I don't know what adventure awaits us there. Maybe we will just sleep in the car since we haven't planned this one. And now we are going to Italy, guys. Hi everyone! So we are right now here in Lago di Braies and it's so cold. So we woke up really early this morning and currently we are right now here. This one. So later we will be going here and explore a little bit Lago di Braies. So let's go, guys, join us. Hi everyone, good morning. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and we are right now here in Lago di Braies. It's a lake and it's one of the most famous lake here in Italy. So ayan guys, we're here. Hi guys, so we rented a boat for half hour. It's 18 euro and it's quite expensive and the people here are not friendly. So the view is so nice and yeah, that's it guys. So if you want to rent for a boat for half hour, it will be 18 euro. And for an hour, it will be 28 euro. And yeah, it's a breathtaking view. It's a picture perfect view. So ito yung pinunta namin from Austria going to Italy. I'm with Mark and Mark is sa puton. Kay mahal daw. Pero thank you gihapon kay Mark. Kay butan kayo sila. From mountains to lakes. Hey guys, we're done with our Lugano adventure. And what's Lugano? Lago di Braies. So we are done with our Lago di Braies adventure and we are going back home. We were too early, so we also finished early. Because there's a lot of people out there and right now we are in McDonald's. We're just eating our breakfast because we're very hungry and we have also a panoramic view.
Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom,